Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell next to it so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And I need you to thumbs up this video to let me know that you're liking this content so far. Now today's video is a little different. This is my first hair review video and it's brought to you by Beauty Forever hair. And this is the Beauty Forever that I got off Amazon, and today I'm going to be reviewing a U-Part wig. This is actually my first time ever trying a U-Part wig, so this is extra special because y'all get to see me get into this wig for the first time right along with me. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the contents of the box. This is how it comes when you get it. And it was inside of an Amazon package, the standard bubble wrap, so it is very secure. So opening up the box, you get the hair, which is in a plastic bag with a net on it. You get a headband. This is really cute. I love these kind of headbands too. You know, you're not having the best hair day, just throw that on. Really, really cute. Also get your standard nude wig cap, which I really won't be using today, but it is helpful and beneficial for any other wigs that you will be using later. Then you have a card which has the different types of hair that they have, and it also has some of the other influencers that they have that model their hair and the guarantee. We guarantee that you'll love Beauty Forever hair. Buy risk-free with easy returns and exchanges. So that's that there. So that's all the different kinds that they have. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this wig and see what it is giving today, because I don't know, y'all, it's my first time with a U-Part wig. So like I said, this is the bag that it comes in. And this is a 16-inch wig. So my hair is already prepped today. I just have it, this right here is my leave out that I have that's going to cover the tracks. And I also went ahead and left some of the perimeter out. And I have it braided around here. And you can pretty much just braid it all to the back. It really doesn't matter because you won't see that at all. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take my net off of the wig. And this is how she looks. Take that out. So when you get it out of the package, it will still be closed in the middle. So you just go ahead and you cut that out. And first impressions, doesn't have any weird smell or anything. You do have combs on the inside. You have 2 at the top. Then you have 2 at the sides that go by your temple. Then you have the one in the back. And you also have adjustable straps to make it even tighter, to make sure this wig is secure on your head. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these pieces in the middle and I'll be right back. All right, so I am back and I cut out the middle parts. Now the best thing about this wig, if you're a person that likes to take your wigs off at night and you don't wanna sleep in them, this is perfect because you don't have to deal with any glue or anything. It kind of reminds me of like clip-ins. Remember clip-ins when you just clipped in the pieces so you could take them out whenever you wanted to? That's definitely what this is giving. And I'm sure because there is a lace shortage in China right now that it is much easier to make these wigs and maintain them. So yes, this is the go-to. I'm loving this so far. Like I said, this is a 16-inch. It is 150% density. So it's kind of thick, but it's not too thick where it looks too wiggy. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on and see what this wig is giving. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna place the back track in first, which is why I kind of did these braids around here, because it's kind of like an anchor braid. And then you wanna go ahead and put the sides in. Want to make sure that's as flat as possible around there. Okay, let me go ahead and get my brush. Okay, so first thoughts, this is really, really light. I love it. I thought at first 16-inch would be a little too short, but I'm actually loving this. So you want to make sure you have the back comb in as well as the side combs. Oh yes, so this wig is definitely really, really secure. You don't have to worry about this going anywhere, okay? And it does have little side tabs to make it conform a little bit better to your head. So this is what the wig looks like before it's straightened or anything or curled. You can definitely curl this because it is 100% human hair. Yes, I am loving this. So this is how it looks. It's given like right there to like the bra area with the 16-inch. And all you have to do for this is flat iron your leave out. You're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now and show y'all how it's looking. So yes, y'all, this hair is so bomb, okay? It's like so minimal effort. It looks like it's, well, it is literally growing out of my scalp at the top because I have leave out. And I don't know about y'all, but I miss those days of leave out. Like, I'm so tired of having these glued on wigs that you have to mess with every day because you can't just get up and just put it on. You have to actually apply it every time, and that's getting a little tiring. So this U-Part may be my new go-to. Of course, I would have to touch up my edges and all, but like I said yesterday, I've been natural. Like, I haven't had any relaxer in my hair for over a year. So for this to lay down like this and blend in so seamlessly, this is so bomb. Now, one thing I can say, I would actually add some more wig clips, probably right here and right here, just to make it, no, you can see that, a little more snug right there. Like, it's okay without it, but you can always add wig clips to it. So yeah, that's the one thing I would say I would do. But otherwise, baby, you can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me I didn't sit in the salon for hours getting this hair done. Yeah, y'all definitely go get this wig because, baby, this is it. This is hitting. So yes, if y'all love this wig, let me know down below. Comment some hearts, some pink hearts, red hearts, whatever color hearts, to let me know if you're loving this look. And as always, I love all you glam dolls and hope you all stay safe, happy, and healthy. Till next time.